Welcome back to the Real Estate Investing Guide. The preceding chapters apply mainly to commercial properties. Chapter 12. Detailed walkthrough and spending time at the property. Walk through every unit, suite, or apartment. Don't just walk through every occupied unit ignoring vacant units. You need to go into every space in the building. You are within your rights to do this as a buyer, and if a seller seems to be giving you any pushback on entering certain units of a structure, this could be a red flag. Walking through the entire property will allow you to look for visual potential problems as well as garner more information on the overall condition of the property. It will also give clues as to why a property might not be fully utilized. The more problems that are unsolved and the more open spaces there are in a property, the more likely this signifies financial problems with the current owner. You'd also want to ensure that vacant spaces are not missing hardware or appliances or other items that would cost you money to purchase after the sale. In some cases, owners of a property might have a space unused for so long that they do something like remove doors or appliances or lighting or other items within the space and then use them in other parts of the property to avoid buying new items themselves. If you never entered an empty space during a walkthrough, you'd never know this information. Spend time at the property. You'll want to visit the property at different times of the day over the course of several days or weeks. In doing this, you'll learn a lot about the property and the current tenants. You'll be able to get a feel for what the tenants are like and how they conduct their daily business operations and the effects their businesses and customers have on a property. You'll be able to tell things like the overall security of the building and the surrounding area. You'll be able to tell 1. If there is enough lighting on the property and how the lights work, on all night or on timers. 2. If there is sufficient parking during peak hours. 3. If there are people hanging out at the property after business hours, or if there might be vagrants who access the building in off hours or access the building to enter vacant spaces. 4. Where security cameras are and if they are located in areas that might be more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more great real estate videos. Be sure to watch Chapter 13, Interview Vendors and Contractors. Contact us for all your Twin Cities real estate needs. LakerRealEstate.com 763-645-4617